guys, so welcome to 2025, and in this video I want to teach you how to create a blogger or a blogspot website. Yes, it's 2025. I want to teach you how to create a blogspot or a blogger website. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I don't have to explain everything. I guess you planning to creating a blogger website, that means you already have an idea what blogger is. For starters, Blogger is actually a platform where you create blogs or website for free. So let's create a website for free with Blogger. So this is the whole tutorial. Step one, create visit www.blogger.com. So you visit www.blogger.com and it will take you to this page. Now if you still visit blogspot.com, so if you still visit blogspot.com, it will take you to Blogger. So Blogger and Blogspot both represent the same thing. So now once you get to blogger.com, click on create a blog or create your blog or sign in. They are both the same thing. So you either click on sign in or create a blog. So I'm going to click on create a blog. Now it's going to ask you to choose your email that you're going to use. I'm going to use my agency email. Alright, so I just log in my email right now. As you can see, I use my Gmail. Now Gmail is actually associated to Blogger, or Blogger is associated to Gmail, and with that you can create a blog account. Now you're going to select a name for your blog. So click on choose a name for your blog. So for this, I'm going to call my blog V3 Design. So I'm going to click on next. Now it's going to ask me for my blog URL. Now the blog URL is simply the address you want people to visit to be able to see your blog or your website. So for this website, the address is simply blogger.com, as you can see. Now this is a free extension, mind you. So you are not going to get .com, just your website.com. You're going to have your website.blogspot.com. So we could say v3design.blogspot.com. So let's say v3designz.blogspot.com. Now it's going to tell you if the address is not available or not. If you remove the Z, now you're going to see that sorry, this blog address is not available. So we could do Z and it's going to say this blog address is available. I'm going to click next. Now the display name, I'm going to call it V3 Design. Now this name is which name you want it to show on the front of the website. So I will explain it further when we enter the website in full. So once the website is created, as you can see, it's actually creating. So right now we have it created, as you can see. Now we have this right now. As you can see, this is our blog. Now if you visit our website or visit our blog, you're going to see what we just created. Now this is it. Now that is the last name they asked us to put everything design and nothing here. So we just successfully created our first blogging website. So now let's go do some customization. Let me put you around. Now the first thing you have here is a post. This is where you actually create posts, like write articles. This is where you write articles. Now statistic, this is where you see the number of people that have visited your website. As you can see, this shows you the statistic or analytics of your website. Now let me remove this European Union issue. So comments, this is where you see people that have commented on your website. Earning, this is how much you can make, how much you are making from your website. So you can say create a new AdSense account. Now AdSense, it's simply Google AdSense. It's a payment means whereby they display ads on your website and then you get paid for it. So you could create a Google AdSense account and then add it to your website so you get paid from it. Now the next one is page. So the next one is page, and on the page you can create page like about us page, contact us page about your business. You understand? So then you have the layout. This is how you want the website to actually look. It's actually the layout of the website. Now if you see, this page has about me. That is the about me part of this website. So as you can see, now let's remove this report abuse so you can see what I'm saying. So this is the report abuse. Click on the pencil here. Close this widget and save. Now this is it. So if you come back here, you refresh your site. So refresh your site. You see this is profile. Sorry. That's the profile. Now you you see the report abuse is so wrong. Like, then what else? I think that's cool. So you can also do themes. Now themes actually give the functionality of the website, gives the beauty of the website. Now let's do something more. Let's do a teaching blog. Or I like this. Let's do this. And I can create this. So you can click on apply. So now you reload. As you see, it has a good design and everything. That's a good design and everything. As you see. So this is the design. So now a lot of things you can actually do, which on this last part, which is settings. You can set your title of the website. You can reset the title if you make a mistake. You can give your website a description. Now this is because of search engine. You want it to show up on search engine as whatever you describe here. Now adult content, you don't want to use adult content. Select your country language. Also select your favicon. Favicon is this little icon you see on your website. So search visibility, this is it. You want to make it showing up on search engine. So you want to change your website address name. You can do that here. To add a custom domain. You want to add a domain like blogger.com or blogger.com.ng. You can add it from this place. Just enter your domain name. Now, all these settings are very important. You have to check them. So I think I've been able to show you in a few minutes how to create your own blogger website. So if you're not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video. I have a lot of videos about blogger, how to create movie website with blogger, how to create a website like YouTube with blogger.